How to delete all iPad photos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you are looking to free up storage on your iPad by deleting all your photos at once, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it efficiently. So, the easy way is to open up your Photos app and select all the photos and hit delete. And just confirm the deletion, and just like that, you have freed up the space on your iPad. However, other thing that you can do is explore the settings app, go to general, and then scroll down and you'll find transfer or reset iPad. Tap on it and there you'll find erase all content and settings. So you can tap on it and erase the contents. However, keep in mind this will delete everything on your iPad and not just your photos. So use this method with caution. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.